What's the meaning of absurd? Absurd. 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 The word absurd means something that is utterly or obviously senseless, illogical, or untrue, contrary to all reason or common sense, laughably foolish or false. It can also describe a situation in which life seems irrational and meaningless. Here are some examples of absurd things. A square circle, a married bachelor, a flying elephant, a talking dog, a world without war or poverty. Absurdity can be found in all aspects of life, from the everyday to the philosophical. It can be a source of humor, but it can also be a source of anxiety and despair. The absurd can be a reminder of the limits of human understanding and the meaninglessness of life. However, it can also be a source of inspiration. The absurd can challenge us to think more deeply about the world and our place in it. It can help us to see the world in a new light and to find new meaning in life.